Alright squad, we gotta hit out of the ballpark with this remodel. All we have to do is change the faucets and the shower hits. The tenants are gonna be happy, but I need your clearance that that's all we need.
All right, let's go see what we're getting ourselves into, Mama Laguna.
¿Estás lista para la sorpresa?
Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is way worse than I thought. Like, what is he talking about? Ricardo, we got faucets on the floor. We got hardware laying everywhere. It's rusty. The door's broken. Yeah, what do you think, Mama Laguna?
Mira, te propongo, mejor nos echamos unos tequilas.
Uy, tequilas?
Yes.
See, let's get to work.
Okay.
Well, in our defense, that day was Cinco de Mayo.
Antes de empezar a trabajar, preparamos unos shots.
¡Salud!
¿Lista?
Let's do this.
Ok,
Yes.
perfecto. A darle duro.
Yeah.
Vámonos.
Oh, yeah.
Slow motion for me, slow motion for me, moving slow motion for me. Slow motion.
Stop being a model. It's time for you guys to get to work. What are we doing?
All right, let's do this, Mama Laguna.
¿Lista?
Vámonos!
¡Órale, duro!
3, 2, Wait a
My
minute.
God.
Why are we doing this? The boys should be doing this. We're the designers. Let's get Terrence in here.
¡Terrence! ¡Terrence!
Terrence, where are you?
Woo! I've been waiting for this! Terrence, okay, alright. We don't want to destroy the house. We just want the shower. Take it easy.
Oh, all right.
Get a crowbar, I'll get the machine, get William and Matt, and we'll go from there.
Am I bleeding? No, well.
Used to be a football player. Stop being a weenie. Give me this, I'll get to work. Go to the medics. Let's do this. Time for us to take this thing down.
You know. Whoa. Was that spiders? No,
Yeah.
no. TC don't do spiders. No, not happening.
Terrence, stop being a weenie. Let's take this wall down.
You and your short shorts, so that's how you can do all you want. I just don't understand why you have to wear those outfits. I counted loose change in your tight shorts.
Well, Terrence, I do look good from time to time. Plus, I'm not no scary cat like you once I see spiders. How about I'll do the spider side, you do the non-spider side with my short shorts.
Here we go. The deal is deal. All right. Just like that.
And you know there's spiders in the back, right?
Why would you say that? Why would you tell me that? No, there's no spiders on this side, so we're good.
Wow, there is a lot of spiders. I'll just wait for him. I'll make him do that one too.
So you want me to step into Charlotte's web and take care of this?
Yeah. You can.
Well,
What now?
well, you can sweep. I mean, you haven't done nothing else all day.
Alright, I'll get to it.
¿Cómo ves?
Yeah, I'm surprised they made some really good progress. Good job, Terrence.
More than what Ricardo did.
Well, Vanessa's leg shaving station's done.
The shaving station is not only used for women to shave their legs. I used to put my leg up and wash my behind.
Okay, because you're always dirty.
Well, you use it to shave your legs. Alright, Ricardo, we got the Schluter Curdy waterproofing done. A couple more things and then we'll be ready for tile.
Yeah, this looks great, but wow, so expensive.
Yeah, but you spend better money now than you would have on the original materials with the liquid membrane because you get a 10-year lifetime warranty and this is a much better install.
Good call. Because I used the other material, it didn't last very long. I had to come back and get it fixed. So this time, I won't have to call you back.
One-time deal.
I love it. That's my kind of deal. Well, if the money needs to get spent, I fork it out.
What's Terrence doing over there? Is he on a union break or something? something?
It's in my contract. 170 degrees out here.
It's actually 92.
Okay. To a fat person, it's 190.
No te preocupes, los chicos deben de estar trabajando y avanzando.
Yeah, it's been a few days. Let's see how the guys are doing. How's it going in there?
Don't worry, we know you have a deadline. We'll get you taken care of as soon as possible.
All right, we'll cut you some slack because you're on crutches.
Thanks.
Let's see how it's going.
Okay. ¡Wow! Los muchachos están haciendo un excelente trabajo.
Exactly. But what I'm really excited to do is finally go purchase some tile for this project.
Hey, Vanessa, found one.
Oh, are you serious right now? Ugh, no.
Vanessa, ¿qué te parece este?
Es bonito, but not the right one, Mama Laguna.
Okay.
Vanessa, found it.
Why? No, why are you carrying this whole thing? No. No.
Vanessa, este es.
Me encanta.
No, señoritas. Yo sé que tú eres mi reina. I know you're my ace, but I am the one in charge, and my foot is down. We're using the subway tile. Like it or not.
What just happened?
All right, Vanessa. Got the whole first layer going. It's looking pretty good, right?
Ricardo, the title looks great, but that is not the pattern that we talked about.
But that's the only way I know how to do it. I mean, what do you mean, Vanessa? You expect me I can do it all?
Well, no, that can't be it. We talked about herringbone. We have to do the herringbone design.
William! But let me see what William says.
Hey, what's going on?
So, evidently Vanessa is saying hi to you right now. She wants it upwards.
In herringbone pattern.
Correct, Vanessa?
Exactly. It has to be herringbone. That pattern's okay, but we want to take it up a notch. Like, classier, more modern. Like, get it into this century. It's gonna look amazing.
Got you. It'll be a little bit more expensive, but we can do it.
Expensive.
Don't cheap out on me now. We gotta do it. Come on.
Me cheap? Por favor. Nunca.
Ricardo's always trying to lowball me.
Oh, Ricardo? Hella cheap.
Gosh, Ricardo is so cheap. He never wants to spend top dollar.
What's the definition of cheap? Ricardo.
Mi hijo siempre cuida sus finanzas muy bien. Yo no sé por qué la gente no entiende eso.
Alright, well, I'm gonna take the pads off then, so then they can take over and let them do it. So, that said, I'll be the guys writing up the check, and you'll be the one that's gonna be policing the fans. So, is that it, Vanessa?
I'll be back when it's right.
Bye. I need some dollars out of you, too.
Hey, you gotta pay for it to look at. Sorry.
Bye-bye.
Getting the laser set up here so we can go ahead and stack this wall. Get the laser centered and squared, and helps us get everything lined up. Set some tile.
Wow, I can't believe how amazing this bathroom turned out.
Yeah, it could not have been better. It's so beautiful.
Well, talk about better. I'm a little concerned about Terrence. I was getting carried away demoing. He
Yeah.
could have gotten hurt.
It was next level for sure.
Yeah, but what about Matt and William? Their job is phenomenal.
They did such a good job, and I'm so glad I won that herringbone challenge. Thanks for not cheaping out on me. It looks so beautiful.
You might have won that fight, but the subway pick was mine, so I should take some of the bragging rights.
I'll give you that. But I chose the hexagon floor with that beautiful soap inlay and that
that
seat.
looks great. Yes, on granite on top of that.
Yep.
Nice little spedazzle to it.
Yep, and that door is absolutely gorgeous.
I don't have to even remember about the old door. That was
So bad.
horrible.
So bad.
Wow, well, easy to say. I think my mom was a huge asset for you too as well.
I loved having your mom there. All those shots and laughs, like, she's amazing.
Well, all I have to say, I cannot wait until our next project because we're gonna go even bigger.
Yep, can't wait. Let's do this.
¿Saben qué, chicos? Los adoro.
Oh, love you, Mom.